Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial to learn how to create customized Excel separator. We all know that exchanging of information between various systems can create some problems if the separator of each of the fields is not correct. The most common separators that we use are commas, right, or tabs, which are like inherent features of all the operating systems and tools that we use. But we have a limitation to those as well. If we separate each of these columns using commas and create a CSV file, which is a comma separated value, you see here in the product name, there is already an inherent comma. Similarly, in line 2 also, there is a comma after stacking chairs. These two will also be read as separators by the system, and then the data property or the data integrity can go for a toss. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a customized separator using some specific separators which are rarely used in any of our texts, right? So for the same, I'll tell you what those separators are, right? So first of all, as you see on my screen, this is a bar separator, okay? A single vertical bar. Where is it located? It's right below the backspace key, right? It has another option of backslash, right? Right above backslash, you will find this bar. The other important separator that you can use is the up arrow. It's available on the numerical key 6. It's available on the numerical key 6. You can use it using shift key. Okay. These are the two primary separators which have come in handy in my experience. So you can use this. Now, there is no specific feature where we can add this particular separator to each of these sheets, right? To each of these columns. So how do we create it using a simple CSV? There is a very easy tool, guys. You just need to explore some of these bits. And now I'm going to explain you in both Windows 7 and Windows 10. So firstly, let's see in Windows 7 how to go about it. We go to Start menu. We go to Control Panels. Within Control Panels, you get multiple options, right? Let's see change keyboard and other input methods, like clock, language, and region. That's the main title of it. In clock, language, and region, you have options like set date and time, add clocks, all of those. What we need to do is change the date, time, and number formats. That's the column for us. When we click on it, we get some region and language settings. Within that, we have a tab of additional settings. Let's click on additional settings. We get a customized format for all of the formatting options that are available. For example, numbers, currency, time, date, etc. In numbers, you have an option known as list separator. Currently, it is comma. This is the default setting for every tool in Windows, comma being this list separator. If we change this to bar simply, right, as you see I've done here, right, I click on apply, I click on OK. Again, apply and OK. Now I go back to my sheet, I simply save it, and while saving it, I'll just give it the name. I'll just give it the name of try1 for now, and I'll save it as a comma separated, comma delimited CSV. Now we know that the original comma list separator we have changed to bar. Hence, this should also change to bar. I'll just click on save. It asks me whether I need to go ahead and save it. Yes, I want to do it. Now I can simply close it. It asks me to save again, but it's not required. I've already saved it. Now I see there's a try1 value here, right? And it shows me that it is a comma separated value. I right click on it and I open it with Notepad just to see what the format is. As you can see here, guys, it's row ID with a bar sign, order ID with a bar sign, and then again order date with a bar sign. The customized separator has been applied. Under Windows 10, the same settings can be found when you search for language settings under the region and language settings in the search bar. You land up on this page, you select additional date, time, and regional settings from here. Within that, you get change date, time, and number formats under region, right? Click on this one. You find the region settings all together here. It has an option of additional settings, right? Go to additional settings. In customize format, you have the list separator. Just change this comma to bar, just like Windows 7 that we saw just now. How interesting is it? The information will be very accurately transferred into other system and the data integrity will be protected, as bars, the vertical bar that we saw and the above arrow are not particularly used in our normal text life. And I'm very sure that this trick will be very helpful in many organizations where exchanging data is the primary essence of the business. There are multiple applications being used, multiple types of data, multiple formats of data. Interchanging, exchanging information format, this is the key for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the description for further details about our Facebook page, our website, and don't forget to share this useful content with your friends and family. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Yuja Mascot Consultancy Hub. If you want to become the part of our WhatsApp group, please mail us on the email ID mentioned in the description. Thanks everyone. Until next time.